All right, you're sitting in class, trying your best to pay attention, when suddenly, yawn, you can't help yourself. Or maybe you see someone else yawn, and like magic, you're yawning too. But why does this happen? Why do we yawn at all? Is it about oxygen? Is it a secret brain reset button? And why on earth is yawning so contagious? Well, let's find out. First things first, what exactly is a yawn? It's that big, deep breath where you stretch your jaw wide open, suck in air, and sometimes even make that weird little noise at the end. But despite being something we all do, the true reason behind yawning is still a mystery scientists haven't completely solved. The oldest and most popular theory is that yawning helps bring more oxygen into our bodies. The idea is that when we're tired or bored, we breathe more slowly, leading to a drop in oxygen levels. So, a big yawn is like a power boost of fresh air. Sounds pretty logical, right? Well, not exactly. Studies have shown that oxygen levels in the blood don't actually change before or after a yawn, meaning this theory doesn't hold up as well as people once thought. So, if it's not about oxygen, what else could it be? A more recent and fascinating theory is that yawning actually helps cool down our brains. Think about it. When we're sleepy or bored, our brain slows down and starts running a little kind of like a computer that's been on for too long. Yawning is thought to bring in a rush of cooler air, while stretching the jaw increases blood flow to the brain, helping regulate its temperature. In other words, yawning might be like hitting the refresh button on your mind. But wait, here's where things get really weird. Yawning is ridiculously contagious. You've probably noticed it yourself when someone near you yawns. Suddenly, you feel the urge to yawn too. Even just watching a video of someone yawning or reading about yawning, yep, like right now, can make you do it. But why? Scientists believe this has to do with empathy and social bonding. Humans, and even some animals like cats, dogs, chimps, and wolves tend to yawn more when they see their friends or family members yawn. It's almost like a subconscious way of syncing up with the group. This makes sense when you think about early humans who lived in groups. If one person was getting tired, a contagious yawn might have reminded everyone else to stay alert or rest together. Now, here's a fun experiment you can try. The next time you're in a room full of people, let out a huge, exaggerated yawn and see how many others yawn right after. It's almost impossible to resist. But here's the twist. Not everyone is affected by contagious yawning. Studies have found that younger kids don't start catching yawns until around the age of 4 or 5, and people with certain neurological conditions, like autism, may not experience contagious yawning in the same way. This suggests that our ability to catch a yawn might be connected to how well we recognize and respond to social cues. So, to sum it all up, yawning might help cool our brains. It's super contagious, and it could be a weird leftover survival trick from our ancestors. But even with all these cool theories, scientists are still not 100% sure why we yawn. It's one of those everyday mysteries that keeps researchers guessing. And now, let's be real. I bet you've yawned at least once while watching this video. Gotcha! If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more fun and fascinating science content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.